I be getting salty when niggas try sugarcoat. I see a little of myself still, I like nigga no. Ain't like the taste, they ain't fit me, ain't suit me. Had to change when it switched my clothes. I even switched the coast. New views, new fakers, see it and call it all. What's the news? Heard a hater, I'm like la 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 la. They quick to switching flavors behind my back. I'd rather spit it to your face like a la la llama. Am who I am. Get past the sauce. They know we cooking something. They can't smell the source. Am who I am. Can't pass the sauce. I tolerate most days, just not the artificial ones.
Sunset and I get it, I seen brighter days, but I see clear in the spaces where shadows are made. And the deepest pitch black is when I see the most stars. True character don't show in the day, so what you do in the dark is how you taking the L. Your temperament swells, your character flaws. Sit with your thoughts, how you handle the loss. You turn around, chug a handle of rum. Just for the night, I'ma be who I'm not, come fuck with me. And I send them love, cause I just have that much. Sometimes people, they bring you down and then you climb back up. I check myself, I'm acting fake. I try so hard not to play the game, but people do, people change, people drift apart. Don't carry the weight if it's not your fault, no.
Am who I am. Get past the sauce.